This is a review on the SSDEV picks designed by the German lock pickers. I ordered this set with the multi-lock sauber kit, but I got tension wrenches instead. But I get to keep them, so I'm not complaining. They're going to send me out my new kit today. The SSDEV picks come in this little package here, and they're pretty wicked. But I thought they'd be a lot narrower since they're Europeans. They're actually they're thicker than the regular Sparrows picks down here in the center, which kind of was odd, but they're pretty deep hooks. That's not good. See if I can get something better here. That's what you're looking at. They got that funky color. I emailed them about the color when I got the Whiz-Wazzle set, and they said it was because they get super hot when they dip them, and it gives them that funky color. And I looked up tempered tones on the internet, and this color comes out when steel is tempered at 300 to 400 degrees. So I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. The steel is getting that hot. It is tempering it, I guess, because it's changed the colors, and that's what they said on their email. But you get these pretty deep hooks. I thought they were going to be a little bit thinner, but I guess they'll do. Their website on Lockpick Canada had these for $17.50 dipped. That's Canadian dollars, so it's probably like $13 or something like that. So that's not a bad price. They didn't have the dipping option. I emailed them, and they put the dipping option on their website. Sparrows had it on their website, but Lockpick Canada just added it, so you can get them dipped now for $1 each. So that's what the SSDEV hooks look like. Added to my hook collection there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.